Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to add a dual clock on home screen on any Oppo phone. Now to do that, just tap and hold on the empty space on your home screen. Then tap on widgets. Under clock, just select any clock widget which you like. For example, I will select this clock widget. Now just drag this widget to your home screen. Now once you do that, then go to settings and tap on system and update. From here, tap on date and time, and on this page, you will find the option of dual clock. Now just enable this toggle. Now the first clock will be set according to your region's time zone, and on clock 2, you will be able to set a specific time zone. For example, in the search bar, I will search this region. Now just select the time zone which you want to set on the second clock. After that, just tap on display dual clock on. And from here, you will be able to set the dual clock on the lock screen or on the home screen clock widget, or you can set it on the lock screen and home screen clock widget. For now, I will select home screen only. And once you do that, you will successfully enable dual clock on the home screen of your Oppo phone. But if your Oppo phone does not have this feature in the settings app, and if you want to enable this feature, just open the Google Play Store. Then in the search bar, just search this. Then install this app on your smartphone. Then tap on open. Then tap on skip. Then go to your home screen and tap and hold on the empty space on your home screen. And tap on widgets. Now on this page, you will find the option of dual clock. And under dual clock, you will find two styles of dual clock. You will have the option of analog and digital. For now, I will select analog. Now just drag this widget to your home screen. And from here, you will be able to resize the widget as you like. Just like that. Now to set the time zone and the region of the clock, just open the dual clock app on your smartphone. Under clock settings, just tap on clock 1. Then tap on name. Now in this section, just enter the name of the region of the clock 1. For example, I will enter Hawaii. Then tap on OK. After that, just tap on time zone. Now in the search bar, just search the time zone which you want to set for clock 1. After that, just go back and tap on clock 2. Then tap on name and enter the name of the region of your second clock. Then tap on OK and tap on time zone. And in the search bar, just search the name of the time zone. And this is how you can add dual clock on home screen on any Oppo phone. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.